Want to sign up for X using your Google account or Apple ID? Hey, I'm Martin, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. But before we get into that, if you're building something online and want to get it in front of the right people, I highly recommend a tool called Commentions. Here's what it does. Commentions watches for tweets where people ask for tools, apps, or recommendations, and it automatically replies with thoughtful, helpful comments that include your brand. It's a great way to grow without spending on ads or spamming anyone. Links in the description if you want to check it out. Alright, let's walk through how to create your X account using Google or Apple. To get started, open the X app or visit the website. Tap Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. Follow the prompts to connect your account. Then fill in the basics, like your birth date, profile photo, and bio. You can also follow suggested accounts and topics to customize your feed. At the end, you'll be asked to create your unique X handle, your username. And that's it. You're in. A few benefits to keep in mind. Signing up this way means one less password to remember. And if you use Apple, you can choose to hide your email address for extra privacy. If you log out later, just tap the same login option you used, Google or Apple, to get back in. One thing to note. You can't link a Google or Apple login to an existing X account. This option only works for new profiles, and that's all it takes to sign up for X with your Google or Apple ID. If this was helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. I share quick tutorials like this every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.